Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about the Garnier Fructis Style Curl Construct Creation Mousse. So this is a hair mousse, and it's supposed to define curly hair and leave it shiny and keep frizz at bay. I really like this product. I have it in Stronghold level 3, so it keeps my hair pretty flexible and not super crunchy, not hard or anything like that, which is one of my favorite things about it. I personally don't like products that make my hair really hard, and this one does not. It keeps my hair soft and touchable and manageable, so that's probably my favorite thing about it. As far as the frizz and shine, it does work pretty good. I just find that I have to use a lot of the product, which is slightly annoying just because obviously the more product you have to use, the faster you're going to go through the product, and so things like that. But I do like it, and I don't know, maybe I'm just paranoid, and so I use a lot because I don't feel like a little bit is gonna work for my hair. I can't say that I've ever tried only putting a little bit, but I kind of put product in until I feel like I have enough, and usually that's quite a bit of this product. However, that being said, the product still does last quite a bit because since it's like a mousse, once it comes out of the can, it kind of expands. So I could press the button, which I'll show you in a moment, very lightly to where only a quarter size amount comes out, and it'll expand to maybe double that size. So even though I do use a lot of this product in my hair, I think that it still lasts a decent amount of time. It's still worth it. I would say that one can whenever I will keep my hair curly all the time, or for days or weeks at a time, I would say that it would last me maybe 2 weeks using it every single day. And I have extremely thick, curly, frizzy, kinky hair, so just for reference. So if your hair isn't quite as unmanageable, this is gonna last even longer because you're gonna use less product. And also, if your hair is not super frizzy, you won't have to reapply it every single day. I reapply it every single day even if I didn't wash my hair, just because I need to. So that's one thing. There are some products that I've used that I don't have to reapply every day, but with this one I do. Even if I don't wash my hair, I still have to re-wet my hair and reapply this. But because my hair is not hard, it's not difficult to do. Whereas if the mousse was making my hair really hard and crunchy, it would be more difficult to do that because it'd be difficult to wet it and then brush it. It would just be, well, it wouldn't be difficult to wet it, but it would just be really unmanageable. So go ahead and, there we go, so we can get that to clear up. So it works. Curl Construct Mousse with shea butter has powerful holding technologies that provides long-lasting hold and shine without stickiness or buildup. And that is also true. It doesn't make my hair sticky, and even after applying it, my hands are not left sticky, which is really nice because then I know that it's not gonna build up on my hair, it's not gonna cause white flakes in my hair, it's not gonna make my hair sticky. Like I said, my hair is still really soft and manageable when I use this, which is really nice. Let's see. So yeah, so the can itself is fairly small. Probably, I don't know that cans of mousse come bigger than this, so it's probably a standard size can of mousse. Let's see what I have around here that I can show you to compare. So I have this, I'll just use this bottle of nail polish remover. I've never seen a nip bottle of nail polish remover come in a smaller size, so hopefully this will give you like a good like comparison to the size. I'll turn it sideways so you can kind of see it. So it's just a little bit longer, but it's a pretty thin bottle or can. So, but because it's like the circumference of it is pretty small, it's easy to like fit in a travel bag or whatever. This is a 6.8 ounce bottle or can, so it's pretty really good, just a decent size. And then this is what the little nozzle looks like, and it has these little grooves here. This little step here, that's what you press down on, and I'll try to squeeze out just a tiny little bit to show you. And so yeah, it's just a white mousse, and it disappears pretty quickly. I kind of tapped it like twice against my fingers and it's gone. So, which is really nice. It becomes invisible, so you don't have to worry about. And it also smells really good. It's kind of a perfumey smell, kind of perfumey, kind of fruity, and it's makes your hair smell good all day. You'll be smelling it all day if you put this in your hair. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.